What should I do? I think I should go to Hawaii. I don't know. I should call someone. Okay, here's my phone. Oh, hey Haley. Do you want to go to the airplane with me? We're going to Hawaii, okay? Bye. Or Jamaica. I'd love to. Let's go. Come in, wait for me. That's a very long line. Hello, welcome to airplane service. How can I help you? Well, I want to go to Jamaica. Actually, on Petline Island. Petline City Airport. Oh, yep. Just give me your luggage. Gosh. Thank you. Just wait over there. Okay. Next. Hello, welcome to Petline Airline. How can I help you? I'd like to go to Hawaii on Blue Jet, please. Okay, come right up. Just give me your luggage and wait over there. Okay. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Next. Oh boy, it's almost our turn. Hello, welcome to Airline Airport. How could I help you? Well, here's my luggage. Ow, you don't give me the luggage yet. Oh, whatever. I want to go to Jamaica. Okay, bye. Okay, just wait over there. We'd like to go to Jamaica on Petline City Airplane, please. Okay, no luggage? Nope. Just wait over there. Okay. Watch part 2.